You're about to discover 3 incredibly easy steps to generate daily affiliate commissions on total autopilot. Just like you can see in my earnings here, these came in passively, and one of the sales even came in while I was sleeping. You're gonna learn the exact 3-step formula you can use to make thousands a month in commissions without experience, tech skills, or any manual work. Each step to set this up is going to be revealed, so by the end of the video, you can implement this exact process. You're going to learn how to go from finding a high-paying affiliate program, setting up automation using a totally free tool, and then easy traffic strategies to make sales, and much, much more. So stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Okay, so the very first step is we need to find a high-paying affiliate program to promote. Now, one place you can go is clickbank.com. You can go ahead and just start here, and then you can fill out your application. And once you get approved, you'll get taken to the marketplace, and they have a lot of different products in many different niches. So if you want to promote a product in health and fitness, or dating, or relationships, or making money online, you could find some good products here. Another place you can go is jvzoo.com. So jvzoo, I've actually promoted products here. A lot of them are more software based, okay? And a lot of them are like B2B, business to business type products. So if you want to promote things like, Facebook tools or, scrapers in some cases, like scraping data, other things like that, like software, then you may want to check out jvzoo. The program that I'm personally using myself is this one right here. Now, this is called the Legacy Builder program. This is a master resale rights program. So one of the benefits of these type of affiliate programs is that when you actually get started with it, you get access to promote this as your own. So you can actually customize your website. So you can add like a photo of yourself if you want to build a personal brand, which can increase conversions. And you can also get paid instant 100% commissions, because when someone purchases through you in one of the buttons on the page, so for example, your prospect goes down, they buy, let's say, the $900 level, which is a one-time payment. When they pay and purchase, you get that money instantly into whatever method, whether PayPal, Stripe, etc. you prefer. So this is what I personally recommend, but you do want to choose one of those and have a program you're promoting for this simple method. Now, the second step is we need to have a funnel, okay? I like to call it a profit pulling affiliate funnel. This is the automation. This is going to allow us to promote that high ticket affiliate program to allow us to generate commissions like clockwork, even when you're out with your friends and family, even while you're sleeping. So this is a basic structure right here. We have the capture page, as you can see right here. Okay, this is the main first page that we're gonna send people when we go to use some of the free strategies I'll share in just a second. This is very important. Most people send their leads directly to the sales page or to the affiliate link, and this is a major issue. You do not want to do this. Why? Most people are not going to buy right away. So if you send people right to the affiliate sales page, for example, let's say you do want to promote the Legacy Builder program, and there will be a link directly below. I know a lot of people were asking me about that. You can check that out below. Let's say you promote that program. You still do not want to send people right to this page here. This is the sales page. This is the affiliate page that your prospects will go to. Instead, you want to send people to something like this. Okay, this is a capture page. So every funnel, and I'm going to share with you how to access a free tool to create this very easily, but every funnel, you want to send people first to a page to capture at the bare minimum their email address. Okay, you can capture a phone number, a name, but I always recommend at least an email address because we need to follow up with them. Okay, so what happens is when you send people from your traffic strategies to a link, the link is going to be this page. And when they put their email in, what's going to happen is 2 things simultaneously. Okay, number 1 is when they submit their email, they're going to get now taken to the affiliate link or the sales page. Okay, now they're going to get taken here. So some people may buy right away. Some people may see a video or see a post you make and decide to get started right away. And that can happen, okay? And you can make a sale like this. You can make a commission, okay? But let's say in the more likely case, because I want my students and my viewers to understand a more realistic example, let's say most people do not buy, which is true. So what happens is when they put their email in, they also now get added to what's called our email list. This is a list of email addresses of everyone that's gone and put their email in. So now what we can do is we can have these automated emails. These are just messages going out one at a time. And inside of the email, it's sending people back to this sales page. Okay. Now I'm sure you've been in your inbox, maybe Gmail, maybe Yahoo, and you've seen emails from marketers. And inside of those emails, there's a link that goes to an offer. Okay. Those emails a lot of times are pre-set up that are automatically going out using a free software or a paid software, but I'm going to share with you how to get it for free. But that's going out to people automatically, okay, usually about one per day. And these emails, again, you can have infinite email sequences, right? You could have a sequence of 30 emails, so one per day, sending people back to this page. So while you're sleeping, you're still following up with people. While you're out and about with your family, it's still following up with people. I struggled for a long time because I would send people right here, and then again, the people that didn't buy, I would never follow up with, or I'd have to try to keep track with a notepad, and I would forget, and it was just very, very brutal. But with this strategy, again, how to automate this funnel, you're allowing people to simply go to the link, which is the capture page, which is something like this. They read the headline, and we always want to be giving away something for free, whether it's a free video, a free PDF, something of value. They put their email in, and then now they get taken to the sales page, okay, right here, and then they get followed up with. So now that you understand step 2, the automated funnel, I want to share with you a free tool that you can use to actually get your first funnel. So it's a website called system.io. Now there's going to be another link in my description if you actually want to get this for free. All you have to do is go here and then just put your email address and then click get my free account. And it's literally no credit card required. And what it is you actually get, okay, for the free, you get up to 2,000 email leads that you can generate without having to pay anything. So when you go out there and you start getting people to put their email in, the first 2,000, you don't have to spend a dime. And the amazing thing is when you use what I'm sharing with you in this video and my future videos, you're going to be able to convert people way before 2,000 people, okay? It's very common within your first 10 to 20 leads to get a sale, especially if the funnel is high converting. So again, you can get access to system.io. Now, once you're inside, okay, you can actually go to websites and click sales funnels, and you can go ahead and create a sales funnel. Now you can see on the side right here on the left, I have 6 different funnels. Okay, I like to just create one main funnel and then duplicate it for, you know, my different traffic strategies. So this is Facebook right here. Okay, this is the same funnel, but I just track my sales if they come through Facebook, YouTube, okay, if I do TikTok ads, TikTok, etc. Now, another thing you want to understand is if it's a good affiliate program, okay, that you're promoting, often they will give you a sales funnel that's high converting. And in fact, the amazing thing with the Legacy Builder program, again, at the link below if you are interested, they will actually give you a done-for-you funnel. So this funnel right here, okay, the Legacy Builder sales funnel, this is actually already pre-created, okay? They have all the different order forms. Literally, once you get started and join, you will have your own import code, your share code to this funnel that imports directly to your system.io, and you're ready to go, you're ready to promote. It already has all the emails, it already has all the follow-ups for you. Now, again, if you are someone that wants to be more hands-on and create your own funnel, again, you just click create, they have templates, you go through the process, and then you can actually create, you know, a capture page, you can have a thank you page, a video page, you can test different capture pages with, you can do, you know, split tests and things like that, like A/B test. So you can do a lot of different things. Now, the last step is once we have this funnel in place, the emails are written, okay, and they're set up and they're gonna start following up with people. The last step is getting traffic or clicks to our capture page link, okay? And I'm gonna share 2 different methods very quickly. I have a lot of other videos that get into way more detail. Number 1 is TikTok, okay? So I've been using TikTok to generate sales for a while now. It's very, very simple because it's very short videos, okay? So whether you want to show your face or you want to do no face, it works both ways. Okay, you can literally just have a no face brand and do motivational quotes, but it is videos. Okay, so you do need to create videos, but it takes very little time. I, for a while, was doing about 2 videos a day, and it took me no more than about 20 minutes. And all you have to do is literally, if you do want to show your face, take your phone, okay, and just sit there and just talk. And what I like to do is I like to follow the problem solution formula in most of my videos. That's where I start with a problem that my niche is having. So if I'm in the make money online niche, I could say something like, you know, are you sick and tired of bills piling up? Okay, that's the problem. Or are you sick and tired of missing out with precious time with your loved ones? Right, that's the problem. And then I get into the solution. I get into, you know, hey, I discovered this program that pays people instantly. People from around the world are joining. We have a massive 40,000 plus community. You can get paid instantly. It's on autopilot. Okay, those are the benefits. That's the solution that they're looking for. And then I give a call to action in my videos. So on TikTok, a good call to action can be to comment, because the more comments, the more TikTok will actually boost it out. Okay, you can see I've actually, from some of my most popular videos, I've gotten quite a bit of views. Okay, you can see right here, and these were tons and tons of leads. So you want to end your video with a call to action. Hey, so if you want to learn more about this, comment yes below. And then when people comment, you respond telling them to go to your link. And again, the link is always going to be your capture page. Facebook is one other traffic method I will mention briefly inside this video. A lot of people don't realize for free, if you have a Facebook profile, you can start making sales. All you have to do is have a decent cover photo, have a good profile photo, okay? That's either branding you, or if you're doing no face, you know, branding your brand. And then all you have to do is start adding friends, okay? So you can go to Facebook, you can go to, you know, like Make Money Online, search this in, go to groups, okay? And then all you got to do is find big groups in your niche, whatever niche you're promoting in, look at people, okay? And then you just want to find these members, because these people are interested in the niche that you're promoting in. And then all you have to do is just start adding these people, okay? Add about 20 to 30 people a day. When they accept you, they'll start seeing your posts. And then all you want to do on your profile is something very similar to TikTok, except you can just do text, okay, like this. You know, or you can do, you know, photo with a text, and it's pretty much problem solution. Okay, that's mainly what I follow a lot of times, or I'll do like inspiration, because we want to build our engagement. So with Facebook, it's good to not always be selling, right? You want to do some inspiration, some motivation, things like that to get your engagement. And then every third post or so, you do want to do a pitch, and typically I weave it in a story or something like that. Okay, you can see right here, I said, you know, real talk, stop scrolling, it's time to flip the script. And then I said right here, this is the problem. Are you tired of the everyday grind, feeling undervalued and stuck? We've got the practical solution. Okay, so problem solution. And then I give the solution right here. And then I give a call to action. Drop info below. And you can see right here, 19 comments. Okay, and I've gotten some leads. And then I just send people the link to my capture page like this. Okay, so I really hope you got value. If you want to access more information on the Legacy Builder program and the free blueprint on how to actually set up that program, be sure you click the link directly below. You can get access to that done for you funnel, the high ticket instant paying commissions, the community, and much, much more. But whatever program you use, this will work incredibly well. Subscribe, hit the like button if you got value so I know to make more. And until my next time, I will see you on my next training.